Hey guys, Luke here, Tranquility based detailing. So, does washing up liquid strip your protection? Dish soap, as our American friends call it. This is something, when asked on the forums, the group so commonly, how do I strip my wax? Dish soap or fairy liquid? This is the answer that you'll see with an utmost certainty on these groups. But does it have any credence? For me, I've done a bit of research on this, and the oldest post that I can find on a forum or group to this very question is from 2004. So for at least 14 years, this has been something that's out there. And as is the way with the internet, people read something on the internet and say it must be true. Someone's wrote it down. So people start to regurgitate the information. They start to pass it on. But it must have some sort of anecdotal evidence. There must be something in it where people said, look, I've had results. Because in our tests, and you're going to see them in this video that just runs, we have a waxed and a sealant applied to the bonnet. It is washed with a diluted dish soap, is washed with neat dish soap, and we can't get any result that even looks like it's stripping the wax or protection. So what could that anecdotal evidence be? Now, the one thing we can't rule out are the dirt cheap, really poor protections. You know, 2, 3, or £4 waxes. We didn't test those, but maybe just the abrasion of a wash mitt across those is enough to strip the protection. So we're going to rule those out. The wax and the sealant we used on this were very fairly priced, readily available, not break the bank or anything like that. And they reacted exactly like we thought they would. Now, to understand the problem, you need to know this. A dish soap, a detergent, it is a surfactant. And the way that that works, the idea with it is the molecule has two ends. One end is attracted to water, the other end is attracted to oil. So when cleaning a plate, when you're washing your dishes, it does exactly what it should. Now, that surfactant can attach itself, the oil side of it can attach itself to the wax, but the bond is weak and it's not strong enough to pull that wax away. But what it will do is that opposite side that is attracted to water also releases the surface tension of the water. So you get a flat film of water, no beading or sheeting, just a flat film across the panel with no real movement in it, down to that surfactant layer that's across your wax or across your sealant. Now, this can be rinsed away, and sometimes it might take 2 or 3 rinses, but the people that are looking to remove the wax, they don't remove the wax, or at least think they do, and then start testing it, rinse, 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 to see the end results. They might just, check once or assume that it works. But in our tests, we have to say this: it doesn't work. It is a misnomer. It is a common misconception, and we'll try and do our bit to make it go away. But if you want to share this, or you want to help people to learn, to educate them, by all means, share it on the forums and groups when this question comes up. And subscribe. Check back soon for new videos. Take care. Bye-bye.